Okay, so it is now, I think it's like 2 o'clock, 1:30, 2 o'clock Central Time. Yeah, you can see it's definitely gotten worse. The windowsill. Okay, now I'm walking towards the windier part, towards Lakeshore. Look at this car. It's like half buried. That one is for sure buried. Wow. Someone walking down the road. That's some good wind. Let's see if we can go down there. Now we're walking towards Lakeshore. You see it coming. Jeez. I'm literally wearing sunglasses right now because I can't see shit. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Man, it is cold. Ooh. If we went further down there, man, it's going to be really bad down here towards Lakeshore. Oh, jeez. My gosh. That is a heavy wind. It's pretty scary. Face feels like it's gonna fall off. The wind is so intense. Jeez. These gusts. Oh my goodness. Look at the snow. Jeez. And I guess there's more to come.